Guys, we're making chicken broth today. I have some bones from a rotisserie chicken that we're gonna drop in first. Don't put the string. Bones and skin, that's all going in. And then what we're doing is we're gonna be putting some celery in. Celery pre-washed. Cut it coarse. A half an onion. Take off skin. Cut it in fourths. Again, don't do this unless you have experience with knives. Use a cutting board. Go. And then we're gonna do a bay leaf. Couple bay leaves, a little more because they're small. And then we're gonna do cinnamon sticks. One cinnamon stick going in. And then I don't have peppercorns, so we're doing just a little bit of pepper. I don't salt it because I like to save that to the end. And then just a little bit of garlic, a few cloves. This is just for seasoning. At the end, we strain all this anyway. And we remove all of these veggies and seasonings just to have a clean broth. It's gonna be a little cloudy, but it's okay. One more garlic clove for good measure. And that's it. Put it on high and just let it simmer for 1 to 2 hours, and then you get your broth. And that's it.